In this video, I show you how to transform my Shoreline Spa crochet pattern into a beautiful flower for gifting or to sell at craft shows. So to make the flower design, you're going to take your 3 or even a 4th one would look nice if you want it to look more full. Lay your outside color down so that your the border, the pretty side, is facing away from you. And then I do my mid color. You can get creative with how you want to stack your colors, but I went from light on the inside and then the darkest on the outside. So I have them all lined up, bottom lined up. I'm going to start just kind of tightly rolling, picking up the new cloth as I go. Make sure this is tucked in. And then have a rubber band nearby to kind of hold it still while you get your ribbon, if you want to tie it with a ribbon, or you can put it in a tall vase glass depending how you want to gift it or display it. And there, it looks like a flower. So you can tie this up and put maybe a sprig of lavender in here, faux lavender or real. You can do a pretty bar of soap with a tag on it, put it in a gift bag. Get really creative with how you give this, but if you're using a nice soft cotton, it makes a lovely gift, affordable gift. You can be a scrap buster, kind of a project, because it only uses about 80 yards to make one of these. And if you don't have the pattern, if you're seeing this for the first time in this video, the pattern will be linked in the description.